Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing Zara haul with you, and if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video from me. And you are very welcome. My name is Uwa. Guys, the first number I will be sharing is this neutral boots. Just look at the details. I think this boot is amazing, and for size reference I decided to take it size 39 because I just want it, since it's a stocking boot, I want it to look very beautiful with my leg. I don't want to be having this gappy very space. I don't want any space. That is the reason why I decided to take it in size 39, so you can go to your true size, and it's part of their new collection. I said this boot is must have. It's something that you can wear with your neutral, even with a basic skinny jeans you will look put together, or even with a leggings. It's must have. I love these boots. I don't know if you can see the details on the heel. It's amazing and it's well made. You will think it's a brand that is more higher than Zara. I will say this boot is must have, and I love the heel. It's very lovely. I don't know if you can see the details, and the fact that the heel, it have the same neutral color with the boot, it just elevates, just make you look put together. And if you have a darker light, it will just look like exactly your skin tone, and if you have a type of my skin tone, just look at the difference. I think it's amazing. It's something that is very just see the contrast. It's amazing. I love this boot. When I saw it, I know that I want it in my wardrobe. It's something that will just elevate your wardrobe. With a basic skinny jeans, or even with leggings, with a blazer, you are ready to go. And Zara have a lot of blazers that have almost exactly with this boot. I think this boot is must have. It's very lovely, and it's very elasticated, so it's not restrictive at all. It's something that you can really go to your true size. It's amazing. Personally, I have different type of Zara blazer that I know that I will be styling with these boots. The fact that the blazer, I have something like this similar color, it will just elevate my outfit. It's something that you pay attention to when you are buying things. Accessories, those items you just to elevate your outfit. Just imagine a total black outfit with this boot. You are ready to go. This boot will take you to the next level. Although Zara did not put it in sale, it's part of their new collection, but I think the price is still affordable. It's 39.99, 40 euro. I think it's not too much, not all over the place. I just love the finish of this shoe because in my skin tone it look very nice. I know that I can style it with my short, with short dress. You will look put together. It's very lovely and elegant, and the fact that it's very tasteful, it's not all over the place, so it's something that you can take to more evening out, more elegant occasion that will just make you put together. And look at it, it look very expensive. I will say Zara, well done. I love this shoe. The other items I pick is this amazing bag. Just look at this bag. This bag is amazing. They still have this bag in black, but I don't know, I hope you can guess the reason why I pick this color. I think it goes well with these boots. I don't know if you can see both of them together. Just look at it. Because when you are picking accessories, something that elevates your outfit, something that takes you to the next level. Because in this new year, personally, I'm trying to take my wardrobe to the next level. I want something that looks a little bit more expensive and elegant. Seeing these two numbers together, it will just make you to look elegant and sophisticated. Even with your basic jeans and jumper, having these two combined together, you are ready to go, and it will make you look very tasteful and expensive. Just look at these two numbers together. You are ready to go. This bag is very lovely. Zara right M. I don't know if they have a bigger size, and for price reference is 25.99. that is 26 euro. I think this bag is amazing. You will think that this bag is a brand that is more expensive. I don't know if you can see, even with what I'm wearing now, it looks very lovely and tasteful. The reason why I picked this bag, in fact, that it looks very expensive and elegant. And this length is very something you can even wear it the way you like it. You can style it in different way. But personally, I think this way you are ready to go, and it will look like a bag that are worth thousands of dollars. This bag is amazing and is well done. I just love the finish of this bag, and it have this finish, golden finish. It's amazing. It's very lovely. I love this bag. I think both of them together, I'm ready to go. Total black outfit, the basic jeans, jeggings, even with a simple jogger, you are going to a grocery store, these two numbers together, somebody will ask you which party are you coming from. It's very elegant. Personally, I'm not going to be wearing them to a grocery store. I'm going to be wearing them to art. When I will have the opportunity to leave home. I said this number is must have. So let me know in the comment below what do you think about this bag. I think this bag looks very, very expensive because you won't think that it's a Zara brand. It's very, very lovely. Talking about accessory, I think you can't go wrong with this classic black piece of heel. This must have. And this one is a part of their old collection, so it's inside. So it's something that you have interest for. And for size reference, I decided to take it in size 40. So all my pairs of men's shoes, most of them is either 39 or 40. So I decided to go for size 40 so that I can walk inside because I don't want to start looking funny when I'm walking. So I'm very, very sincere. I'm conscious because I think the heel is still very, very lovely. I just love the finish of this shoe. I don't know if you can see this side. It's something that will show your skin. It's very, very lovely and elegant. But if you can't go wrong with a pair of black heels. It's something that you always use all over again. I think this number here is must have. It's very, very tasteful and beautiful. I love the finish. I love the fact that it will just elevate your arch, will make your leg look more narrow. Just look at the finish. But that the finish of the man will just make your leg look beautiful. I think it's something that you take in consideration because accessories, those items that elevate your arch, that elevate your look. I love those items that I don't need to do too much. I will just put it on and look put together instantly. Immediately I saw the shoe, I know that is something that will just elevate my outfit, that will just take my outfit to the next level. It's beautiful. So personally, you can decide to size your true size, but I decided to size a little bit up. I decided to take it in 40, but I prefer the fit because I tried the 39. I'm like, I was not too sure, so I decided to take it in size 40 because I know that I can walk even if it's a long distance. I think it's very, very lovely, and the fact that it's inside is plus. I would say it's something that you take in consideration. And the other items I pick is this number here. Just look at, wow, I love this bag. And this bag is part of their new collection. Zara decided not to put it on sale. I don't know why, because I was expecting it to go in sale, but I love the bag, so I decided to pick it. Just look at this bag. Just look at it. It's something that elevates your outfit instantly. Just, I don't know if you can see. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to rock any marriage. When somebody is doing marriage, just invite me. I want to celebrate good things. I think that is one of those things in this year. I want to elevate my outfit. I just want to hear good notice. I want to celebrate good things. So I'm trying to take my wardrobe to the next level so that I'm ready for all my African, European party. I'm ready to go. So this bag is very, very lovely and beautiful. Just look at it with the shoes. Because personally, I like things when they match together, accessories. I believe that when your accessories match together, you can pick any basic. You will just look it together. It's something that just elevates you instantly. It's something that you pay attention to. If you have a nice pair of shoe and bag that work, just add even a basic jeggings or leggings. Look at the way you will look it together instantly, and it will just make your outfit look very, very expensive. And if it's something that you are going for, you are trying to elevate your wardrobe, try to take your wardrobe to the next level, I would say pay this type of thing attention. Any shoe of your choice, it doesn't need to be the shoe. The shoe that you know that with the bag, they work together. They are very, very lovely. I would say take both of them together and add any basic you have at home. You will look put together instantly. I think these two number, you can style it with anything. A basic jeans, jeggings, dress, just name it, or a jumper dress. You are ready to go because both of them, they are already working, they have already taken you to the next level. So adding blazer to it is just plus. You are ready to rock the president party. So I say this one is very, 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 very lovely. And with this one, who is talking? Who is there? I'm only the cheerleader. I'm a boss in, I think both of them together, they are very lovely. Although Zara decided not to put this bag on, say it's a pity, but I believe that the price is not so expensive. Because for price reference, this bag is 39.99, 40 euro. I think it's not too much. So it's something that you can still take in consideration. The fact that it's very, very elegant, it's very beautiful. So I love this bag. Just look at it. It's very, very beautiful. I will say it's must have. It's something that you can style in winter or summer, just name it. It does not have season, it's a black bag. So it goes, and you can decide to wear it as a clutch, just hide, just keep the chain. Maybe that is the way I intend to style it. Just look at it. It's amazing. It's very, very beautiful. Talking about accessory, the other items I will be sharing is this number here. Wow! Just look at the finish of this shoe. It's very elegant. Although the heel is very interesting. I won't advise you to wear this to grocery store. This one is for going out because it's very elegant. I have bag from H&M. I have this exactly the same color of this shoe. So that is why the reason I didn't pick any bag for this shoe. Is amazing, and the fact that it's in sale is very affordable is plus. Just look at the finish inside. I would say Zara, well done. I love the shoe. I just love the color because this type of shoe is very neutral. The brand is very neutral. It's something that you can style with different items you have in your wardrobe. If you are going out, especially even with summertime, you have all those floral dress. Just add this to it will just elevate you and take you to the next level. With this number here, you can't go wrong. It's very elegant. A brand piece of it is something you must have. It's everything a lady needs in his wardrobe because something that can work as a neutral, that can work as a brand. Even with a total black outfit or even in navy blue, just imagine yourself a navy blue blazer and pair of blue jeans. With this pair of shoe, you are ready to go. Like everybody will be asking you what brand is. You know that this a brand is from Zara, and the fact that it's very affordable is plus. The finish is what caught my attention. It's amazing. It's very lovely. Although the heel is something that you can work a lot with, I believe the beautiness. It will cover the heel. I think in fact that it look very nice. I think it's working. I can't wait to style this. I can't wait to wear this piece of shoe. And if you even have those Zara brand blazer they have in now in set, I will say we go with this. It's something that you take in consideration. So if you have any Zara brand blazer, I think they have color something similar like this because it's those technique you use to elevate your outfit. Because accessory, the reason of accessory is just to add that elevation to your outfit, to your wardrobe, to just make you look put together and very elegant. And the fact that you have something like this, you can also add those affordable brand blazer to it. It will just elevate your outfit. All your basic jeans will just look at something that is a little bit more expensive. I said this one is must have. And let me know in the comment below, what do you think about Zara shoe or Zara bag? If it's something that you believe, I think they look very expensive and beautiful. And the other items I will be sharing is this number here. Just look at. Wow. I said this one is everything. It's something that will just elevate your outfit. I say this belt is amazing. You won't think that it's from Zara. It's very beautiful. It's something that you can style with jeans, trouser, just name it, tailor trouser, blazer. And if you're somebody like me that love blazer, you will just tie it on top of blazer, just stitch your waist in, it will just make you look put together. A pair of simple jeggings, body, blazer. This belt to just finish it, it will just complete the outfit. I will say it's must have. I think it's something that you take in consideration. I will say it's must have. Just look at. Even with what I'm wearing, just look at. I think that is the job of accessory, to elevate your outfit, to take it to the next level. And for size, I decided to take it in 80 because they have it in 80 and 90. So I decided to take it in 80 because it fit me so that I can style it with, even with summer dress, basic t-shirt. Because personally, I even like to wear it, oversized basic plain white t-shirt with belt, jeggings. You are ready to go. It's something that elevates you, make you look very put together and interesting. Look at the finish of the gold of this belt. It's amazing. And the fact that this belt is in sale, so it's plus, it's very affordable. So I will leave all the links of these items below so that you can go and pick your pieces, because all these items is must have. It's those items that's going to take our wardrobe to the next level. I think all these items is must have. Just look at the gorgeous of this belt. It will look very stunning. So you can decide to pick it, because if you are somebody of my shape, of my weight, I will say go for this 80 is enough. If somebody like a little bit more heavy, then you can go for size 90. So personally, this number is very lovely on me, and I still have enough space in case of if I continue eating some cake. I hope I will stop now eating cake, but it's very beautiful and nice. And look at the finish of the golden rating of Zara inside. I don't know if you can see it. It's amazing. I will say this get is must have. Talking of accessory that will elevate your outfit, see this number here. But at the same time, it's very simple, but I believe that this type of necklace, it will just elevate your outfit because it's three in one. It's very beautiful and lovely. I was just searching for those necklaces that is a little bit all over the place, but not too much. Something that with a basic outfit with my blazer, body, a simple cami, I'm ready to go. But at the same time, it just make me look put together and just look at, and it's very affordable. So some of these necklaces, they are still even on the sale. So it's something that you can find if you find it interesting. I will leave all the links below. So this one will elevate any blazer you have at home, any cami you have at home, even with a jumper dress, because you have enough space on the back, so you can always style it with a jumper dress. It will look very nice and beautiful. I just love the contrast between the beads and the golden finish. I think it's very nice. Somebody will think it's a two different type of pieces and it's 3 in 1. I will say this one is must have, and it's identical, so it's not too much, it's not all over the place. If you are somebody that is not a funny, that you don't like those funny, those chunky necklaces, although I like it, I think it's some outfit that look very nice. I like both of them, but if you are somebody that love those tiny necklaces, I would say go for it, because this one is average. It's not too tiny, but it's not chunky, so it's not all over the place. I think this one is amazing. Talking about accessory, you can't go wrong. Just look at this number here. This earring is amazing. I don't know if you can see the finish of this earring. It's very identical, but at the same time you have these 3 lines, so it's very particular. So if you are searching for those earring that is very nice, it's not too all over the place, but at the same time it will still have its presence, because at times earring have two funny things, like it's either they are too tiny or they are too all over the place. I think this one is an average earring. It's not all over the place, but at the same time it's not too tiny. So if maybe those days you want to do your hair shiny, you want to pack your hair with this type of earring, you look very lovely. And this type of earring is something that you can wear to work, business, all those official places that you don't need to wear those exaggerate earring, but at the same time you still want to put together. And this type of earring goes well with dress, because you won't overwear the dress. If you are searching for those earrings that will not overwear your outfit, but you still want to have a piece of gold earring, I will say go for this earring, because at the same time it's nice, it's beautiful, it's not all over the place, but it still look very nice. Accessory is those items that really elevate our outfits, because wrong accessory can just rule all your outfit. The right one can take it to the next level. I decided to pick all these classic pieces when I was picking accessory. I decided to elevate, personally, to elevate my look, to elevate my presence. So let me know in comment below, what do you think about these pieces I pick, all these accessories I pick, because I was just searching for classic pieces. Although they have other things that is a little bit more affordable in itself, but I was searching for classic pieces, those items I can use all over again. That is not just only for this season. So let me know in comment below, what do you think, and your favorite items. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if we have this. I have 1 or 2 that I know that is my favorite, but let me know. Most of the items, some of the items, they are in sale, some of them is the new collection. So I decided to share things that is a classic pieces. So that was the key I was searching for this video. So leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. Guys, I hope you like this type of video from me. I decided to share Zara accessory in this video with you. I think it's must have. It's those items that take your outfit to the next level. All these items I pick, I think they look very more expensive than Zara brand. I say it's must have. It's classic pieces. It's something that you use all over again. And if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, you are very welcome. Consider to subscribe to my channel and give me a huge thumbs up so that you won't miss any video from me. And you are very welcome back to my channel, and my name is Uma.